Okay children, this is Narasimha Rao from Max Miller Global Education. Today we need to discuss polynomials and factorization. So previous classes you know how to do factorization. So polynomial means this is a new topic for yours. How we can identify it is polynomial. First of all, what is polynomial? So polynomial means, before we need to know that you know that the square. What is the square? A square is nothing but that length and breadth are equal is known as square. You know that. On that square, you have to find out the perimeter of this square. So what is perimeter of this square? Perimeter is nothing but 4 times of its side. So 4 into side you can write. That is 4x. 4 times of its side. 4x. Next one, you have to find out area. What is that area? Area is nothing but area in the sense, how we will get that area? Area is nothing but side into side. That means you can write x square. Here I am taking that side is x units. So here units, here square units. You can write that one. Next you have to find out, this is, you have one cube. What is the difference between a square and cube? What is the difference between a square and cube? Here cube is nothing but, here we have 6 faces. So cube, you are already playing your cubes. So different colors are there. You are playing with the cubes. So this is nothing but, if 6 faces, 4 sides and top and bottom, or 6 faces, these are all equal areas. That means squares. So here we have 3 formulas for this. What are those formulas? Lateral surface area. What is that? Lateral surface area. Okay students, now lateral surface area of cube. Lateral surface area of cube means, here we have 4 sides. So each one is a square. You know that area of square also. So side into side, side square. Already we find out previously. After that, here 4 sides are there. That is nothing but 4 into x square. 4 of side square. Square units. Square units. After that, total surface area. What is that? What is total surface area of cube? What is total surface area? Total means area of 4 walls, top and bottom. So these are all, you will get here 6 into side square. 6x square, square units. 6 into x square. Here I am taking that side is x unit. Height is also x, and also here this is, width is also we are taking as x. Okay. So after that we have to find out those volume also. What is that volume? Volume is nothing but all the sides. You have length, width and also height you have to multiply. So all the 3 sides you have to multiply. Here all the 3 are equal only. So x into x into x you have to write. That is x cube. So this here x is nothing but 1 unit, but multiplying 3 times, that becomes cubic units. Cubic units, that is. After that, here you can observe these values. Here 4x and also x square, 4x square, 6x square, x cube. You can observe these. These are all, if you are observing these, here observe that variables are there or not. Here we have some variables. Here x, I am taking that side is x. maybe you can take as A or L or S, whatever it is. Here you can observe the power sum. Powers means variable powers. So here you have to know about what is power and index and coefficient. Power or index both are same only. What is coefficient? That is nothing but before that variable is known as coefficient. Base, coefficient, index, you know that very well. Here what are the coefficients? 4, 1, 4, like that it will be. Those are all constants. And variable power, only concentrate about these powers. Here 2, 1, 2, 2 and 3. If I am observing these are all, each and every term is said to be, each of the term is said to be algebraic expressions. Previous classes you learned that one. Algebraic expressions. What expressions means? In English you are expressing some words. In mathematics I am expressing 4x, 4 into x. That is one expression. Okay. So these are all said to be algebraic expressions. In any algebraic expression, the degrees or powers are positive index. That means non-negative integral powers. Non-negative integral powers. Non-negative integers, is there any value? Then those are said to be polynomials. Those are said to be polynomials. Now you can identify, you know that algebraic expressions already, but you have to identify what are polynomials. Here one conclusion, every algebraic expressions need not be a polynomial, but every polynomial is algebraic expressions. So algebraic expression means the combination of rational numbers and variables. Numbers and variables. Okay, combination of literals and variables is known as algebraic expressions. In that algebraic expressions, the degree of the algebraic expression is non-negative integral powers, is known as polynomials. So here polynomial means every algebraic expression you can write. For example, I have a square field. So like this we have a square field, we can find that perimeter and area like that. I have one rectangular field. How we can find this? Rectangular field means here it will be little bit changes. X is length of the rectangle is x and the breadth of the rectangle is I am taking y. If I am finding that perimeter, what is the value of perimeter? Perimeter in the sense, what is the formula for perimeter of rectangle? That is 4 into length into breadth. That means x plus y. Finally you will get 4x plus 4y. So if we observe these two equations previously and here you can observe, in that previous equation you are getting only one variable, unknown values, but in this equation you are getting two different variables. One is x and one is y. Why? Because here that length and breadth, these two are not equal, like a square. So in this square both are equal, here not equal. That is the reason we are taking, here it is x, here it is y. Differently we are taking. So okay students, identifying that polynomials. You know previously algebraic expressions. So here we have some expressions, x square plus 4x plus 1. X square plus 4x plus 1, that is one expression. So this algebraic expression is polynomial or not, we have to verify. Second one is 9x power 4 plus 2x plus 7. Whatever you can take that one. For everyone it is index only you have to identify. And third one I am taking as root 2x plus 1. And third one we are taking as root 2x plus 1. So these three, and also I am taking fourth one, that is x square plus 1 by x plus 1. X square plus 1 by x plus 1. And also next one 7x power 7 plus 2x square plus root x plus 9. This is also, here they given 5 expressions. In these 5 we have to identify which of the following is polynomial. Identification of the polynomial. How we can identify? Just you concentrate on the degree of the variable. Only the variables, degree of the variables you have to identify. So first equation I am taking. What is the first equation? X square plus 4x plus 1. X square plus 4x plus 1. If I am observing first one, x square, 4x and 1. Here 3 monomials are there. Mono in the sense single terms. These 3 are monomials. So first of all, degree of the first term. What is the degree of the first term is? Degree of the first term. Degree of the first term is, here it is 2. Degree of the first term is 2. Variable power only you have to see that. Second one it is 1. And third one it is said to be constant. It is also one polynomial. So later we will discuss what is constant polynomial. Okay. Here every constant we have to multiply with x power 0. Why we are multiplying x power 0 means, here also it is some variable x, but power is 0. We know that anything power equal to, anything power is 0, then that value equal to 1. So that is the reason. So degree of constant term is 0. So if we can observe what are the degrees, 2, 1, 0. What is the highest degree? This is said to be highest degree of this given polynomial. So is there any negative numbers? Okay students, now degrees, you have to identify the degrees. All are positive index only, no negative numbers. Therefore it is polynomial. Is polynomial. Is a polynomial. Second one also, if we are observing second one, 9x power 4 plus 2x plus 7. This is also a polynomial. See here degrees only you have to identify that constant power degree is 0. Here 4, 1 and 0. These also non-negative integral powers. So second one is also a polynomial. If I am taking the third one, root 2x plus 1. Root 2x plus 1. Here don't observe any coefficients. Here the coefficient is x square. No need to observe the coefficients, only the variables. Variable powers, here it is 1 and constant power is 0. So therefore it is also a polynomial. And the third one, if I am taking fourth one, x square plus 1 by x plus 1. If I am taking the fourth equation, first one monomial x square and second one 1 by x and third one 1. First one the degree is 2 and the second one 1 by x I can write as x power minus 1. 1 by x we can write that x power minus 1. That is, what is the degree of the constant second monomial is minus 1. Degree is x power 0. That means the third one is 0. If we can observe here, we have one negative powers. those are not polynomial. This is not a polynomial. This is not a polynomial. If I am observing next one, that is fifth one, 7 x power 7 plus 2x square root x plus 9. Here the first one is 7x power 7. Here it is degree is 7, positive only, and second monomial 2x square, the degree is 2, positive only, and third one root x. Root x I can write x power 1 by 2. Okay, x power 1 by 2. So here that power is rational number. And also last one, no, constant term, the degree is 0, x power 0, the degree is 0. Here we have one term with rational integrals, so rational numbers. So here therefore this is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. So finally you can conclude that every expressions need not be a polynomials. So first one, if I am observing the degrees, each and every degree of the variable, only concentrate the variables. So degree of the variable is positive index, non-negative index. Therefore those are said to be polynomials. Otherwise it is not a polynomial. If positive power index, index means powers, these powers is positive, those are said to be polynomials. Okay students, now we are identified polynomials. What are polynomials? Now you know that. Next session we will discuss polynomials in one variable, also degree of the polynomials also. Okay students, take care of yourself. Bye students.